Greetings, everybody. My name is Lauren Stubura. I would like to present the abstract of my project with the title Southern Africa's Response Toward the Climate Change, a Case of Zimbabwe. In this paper, the author will be looking on climate change as a global crisis and on how Zimbabwe is being affected as a nation. Climate change is a human-induced crisis. The author will be looking on how and to what extent does Africa's emissions contribute to global warming, particularly Zimbabwe as a nation. Zimbabwe updated its greenhouse gas emissions reduction in the year 2021. This was done to show how Zimbabwe is going to achieve its nationally determined contribution, which is the NDC. It also shows the developmental benefits which could occur through these actions. The paper will also highlight Zimbabwe's sustainable development goal targets. These are two main definitions of climate change which are going to be looked at and their practical implication when it comes to policy response due to their difference. The first one will be from the FCCC, which defines climate change as a change of climate that is attributed directly or indirectly to human activities that alters the composition of the global atmosphere, and that is in addition to natural climate variability over comparable time. And the second one is the IPCC's definition, which defines the climate change as any change in climate over time, whether due to natural variability or as a result of human activities. These definitions have got practical implications on policy response such as adaptation. Zimbabwe signed environmental treaties such as the Kyoto Protocol, which was signed in 2009. This paper will evaluate Zimbabwe's decarbonization measures against its targets of reducing carbon emissions by 2030 under the international treaties such as Paris Pact and the Kyoto Protocol. The author will also review Zimbabwe's national climate plans and action. Also, how it is going to build its resilience to climate change. Thank you.